Now for my review of my absolute favorite kung fu horror comedy romance. Yeah, this movie's got everything. The story centers around a Taoist priest known only as Master throughout the movie and his four apprentices, Rain, Wind, Thunder, and Lightning. That scene, like many others, is much funnier with the English dubbed version. The movie opens up with our heroes hunting Jiangshi, the hopping vampires. Using a compass that points them in the direction of the undead, they're led to a grave of a powerful general. Who unfortunately has already become a vampire that is now known throughout the movie as the Vampire King. Nobody survives the initial attack except for our heroes, and the Master is presumed dead or missing. Using the compass to follow the Vampire King, they're led to Zhang's house, which should be classified as a small town because it's so large. Old man Zhang is rich, and he gained his fortune by being a wax maker and encasing people in wax for funerals and such. His son is marrying his sixth wife, because all the rest of them died mysteriously, and then the new wife is named Sasa. And her brother is a kung fu master who's got a bad gambling debt known as Dragon. That was him eliminating some of his debt. So while hunting for vampires and other undead, Thunder falls in love with Salsa. Meanwhile, Lightning also falls in love with a servant girl. Lightning then fights an intruder that's trying to steal Zhang's gold, and they get this funny scene. Like I said, much funnier in the dubbed version. They're later reunited with their master, and the movie culminates in a great battle against the Vampire King. So give it a watch, and if you can find the dubbed version, probably on DVD.